just like this, Smooth One Productions. I'm always trying to get something done. So I invested in myself again, and here we have the GVM RGB light. I'm just showing the back of it. I have a set of two. I'm probably going to try to use it on a video project. I'm just letting y'all see what it looks like from the back. It's pretty decent set. Um, it has your regular color temperatures, and it has, it can turn little colors here and there. It won't flash off of the music like another light that I had that blew out on me. Ooh, man, that's okay, but this is just a little slow motion that you see here. That I'm using a Sony A7 III with the Sigma 30mm 1.8 lens, and I'm just probing around the light. I plan to go outside and get me something to eat, and I think I might do some more slow motion video with this setup here. See, look at that. It's buttery smooth. I'm not using the gimbal, this is handheld. So, in the future, you'll probably see some more from Smooth One Productions and this particular setup. This is the GVM 800D RGB light setup. This is just one of the lights. I got two batteries hooked on it, and it's plugged up right now, and I'm just letting y'all see. Looks pretty good, don't it? How do you like the video footage? It's pretty crisp, pretty clear. Any pros, any cons? This is what I'm just showing y'all. The light's plugged up. It's not running off the batteries, but I have two batteries hooked up into it right now. Just doing what I gotta do. Basically, I'm just testing out the slow motion capabilities of the A7 III, and it looks like it's doing pretty good, pretty crisp. I'm not sure if I'm shooting. I'm not shooting in 4K. I'm shooting in, I guess, 1080p, at 120 frames per second. Okay, this is Smooth One Productions. I'm just letting y'all see my little slow motion test with the Sony A7 III and the Sigma 30mm 1.4 lens. Thank you.